What if I told you that a family of 7 built an entire log house in the Alaskan wilderness with their own hands? No major construction company, no massive crew, no city infrastructure, just determination, raw timber, heavy labor, and 2 years of relentless work. And here's the incredible part. Before construction began, this was nothing more than untouched wilderness, surrounded by forests, mountains, and harsh weather conditions. There were no walls, no foundation, and certainly no house, just raw land waiting to be transformed. Most people hire contractors to build a home. This family decided to build one themselves. So how does an ordinary family transform standing trees into a beautiful log house in one of the toughest environments on Earth? Today, we're following the complete 2-year journey from forest to finished home. The project begins with planning. Building a house in Alaska isn't as simple as ordering materials and waiting for workers to arrive. Every decision matters because mistakes become expensive and difficult to fix in remote locations. Before construction begins, the family carefully studies the land, determines the layout of the future home, and develops a plan that can survive Alaska's long winters, heavy snowfalls, and extreme weather conditions.
Once the design is finalized, attention turns to the most important building material, the logs. Unlike modern suburban homes built primarily from factory-produced lumber, this house will be constructed using large, natural logs. That means the family must first identify suitable trees capable of becoming structural components of the future home. The forests surrounding the property contain thousands of trees, but not every tree is suitable for construction. The family carefully selects straight, healthy trees with the proper size and strength. These trees will eventually become walls, support beams, and major structural elements of the cabin.
Now comes one of the most physically demanding stages of the entire project: logging. Tree after tree is carefully cut down and prepared for transportation. Every log represents a future piece of the house. But cutting the trees is only the beginning. The logs are enormous, heavy, difficult to move, and each one must be transported from the forest to the building site. This process requires patience, equipment, and an incredible amount of labor. Moving large logs across rough terrain is never easy, especially when working in a remote wilderness environment. As the logs arrive at the construction site, another major task begins. Preparation. Freshly harvested logs cannot simply be stacked into walls. Each log must be cleaned, measured, and prepared before becoming part of the structure. Bark is removed from the surface, exposing the natural wood beneath. This not only improves appearance, but also helps protect the logs from insects, moisture retention, and long-term deterioration. One by one, the logs are transformed from raw forest timber into construction materials. And this is where the future house finally starts becoming visible. Before walls can be built, the structure needs a strong foundation. The family prepares the building site and constructs a base capable of supporting the enormous weight of the log home. Every log that will eventually sit above depends on this foundation remaining stable for decades. With the foundation complete, construction of the floor system begins. Large support beams are positioned carefully, creating the framework that will carry the weight of the entire house. Additional framing members are added until the first level begins taking shape. For the first time, the footprint of the future home becomes visible. What was once empty land now contains the beginnings of a real structure. But the most iconic stage of log home construction is still ahead: wall building. This is where the project becomes truly fascinating. Unlike conventional houses built using lightweight framing, log homes rely on massive horizontal logs stacked on top of one another. Each log must fit precisely with the one below it. Even small alignment mistakes can create problems later. As construction progresses, the family carefully lifts, positions, and secures each log. The walls slowly rise higher and higher. Every new layer brings the structure closer to becoming a completed home. And here's where craftsmanship becomes essential. The logs are not simply stacked randomly. They must be shaped, fitted, and adjusted to create strong connections between every section of the building. special corner joints help lock the structure together while maintaining stability. The process is slow, demanding, and incredibly labor-intensive, but the results are remarkable. As more logs are added, the house begins looking exactly like the classic Alaskan cabins people imagine when thinking about wilderness living. Over time, openings are created for doors and windows. These spaces will eventually provide access, natural light, and ventilation. At this stage, however, they mainly serve as reminders that the structure is gradually becoming a real home rather than a construction project. As the walls continue rising, additional support beams are installed. These structural components help distribute weight and prepare the building for the next major phase, the roof. Building a roof in Alaska requires careful planning. Heavy snowfall can place enormous loads on a structure, meaning the roof must be strong enough to handle extreme winter conditions year after year. Large beams are positioned across the upper portion of the house to create the roof framework. One by one, additional components are added until the skeletal shape of the roof emerges. This stage dramatically changes the appearance of the building. Suddenly, the house begins looking complete. The open structure that once exposed the sky now starts gaining protection from the elements. Roofing materials are installed carefully to provide long-term weather resistance. Every layer contributes to protecting the interior from rain, snow, ice, and wind. And in Alaska, that protection isn't optional, it's essential. Winter conditions can be brutal. Temperatures can drop dramatically, storms can arrive without warning, and snow can accumulate in significant amounts. A properly built roof helps ensure the family remains safe and comfortable throughout the year. As exterior construction progresses, attention shifts toward making the structure livable. Additional work improves insulation, strengthens weather protection, and prepares the interior for daily life. And this is where the true scale of the achievement becomes apparent. This wasn't the work of a large commercial construction company. It wasn't completed by hundreds of workers. It was built by a family willing to dedicate years of effort to creating something extraordinary. Every beam lifted, every log positioned, every wall constructed. Every stage required time, energy, and commitment. And that's one reason the project took nearly 2 years to complete. Unlike professional developments operating on tight commercial schedules, this project depended on available time, weather conditions, resources, and family labor. Construction often had to work around Alaska's changing seasons and challenging environment. But eventually, the work paid off. The structure that began as a collection of trees and raw materials became a finished log home standing proudly in the Alaskan wilderness. The transformation is incredible. What started as untouched land surrounded by forest has become a beautiful, functional home built through determination, patience, and craftsmanship. And that's the part most people never see. Behind every finished log house lies countless hours of planning, logging, transporting, shaping, lifting, fitting, and building. What appears to be a simple cabin is actually the result of thousands of individual decisions and an enormous amount of physical labor. From selecting trees in the forest to completing the final structure, every stage played a role in transforming a dream into reality. And perhaps that's what makes this project so inspiring. Not just the finished house, but the journey required to build it. Because in a world where most things are purchased ready-made, this family created a home with their own hands. And that is how a family of 7 built an amazing log house in Alaska over the course of 2 years. If you enjoyed this incredible construction journey, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing building, engineering, and homesteading stories.